Hi guys, this is my regular client. Hair was a little long for her. She went 4 weeks. Usually she comes every 2 for her underarms. So I'm using Sexy Smooth, Cherry Desire, of course, one of my favorite waxes. So I always go one way with the underarm. Always hold the skin tight, pull, and then put pressure. And if I need to, I always do another strip the opposite way to make sure you get all the hairs, which is what I'm doing here. And again, you always want to hold the skin tight. And when you pull that strip off, you make sure you put in pressure. So as you can see, she had a little bit of hair left over, just a few. So I'm going to go over that with a little mini baby strip. And this wax is amazing at picking up every single hair, as you'll see. So we're going to take that off and boom, look at that. Clean, fresh underarm. So pretty.